belts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep going, yes. Then there's a 4 right and a 4 left. I got it. Keep going, sweeping right. And tightens at the end there. Go right, go right, go right. Wait, good, good, good. Go there on the cone, between the cones.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh.
No chance without the battery?
No. Got a battery jumper starter on it. I'll get it.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Get to the right. Then there's a hairpin left. Oh, sorry. Go the fence. Yes, it will go left. And then right all the way there. And it's 2 right, 2 right. And a 3 left here. And a 2 right over here. And then 4 right, 4 left, 3 right. And then there's going to be a hairpin. Watch out, there's going to be a hairpin. Here, here. Here, go left. Go right here, and then there's gonna be a left, yeah, left turn. Go through and the right around the fence. Yeah, here. And then a hairpin here. Long corner, long left. There's gonna be a bus stop on the right. Bus stop around the tires. Keep it tight. Go, 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 and at the end it's a 2 right. And then square right here, watch out. And now it's flat. It's a right corner, but it's flat. Keep going, keep going. There's going to be a chicane with a right entry. After the corner, right here. Keep going, 100 meters after the chicane. And there's going to be a 1 left, long. Right here, it's long corner. And then tightens at the end. Watch out, sleepy here. And then square right here. A sweeping left. And at the end there's a 2 left, warning. And now watch out for the chicane. Left entry. And go flat, go flat. 4 left, 100. And 3 right opens, 50. Go flat, go flat. 4 right, 100. Go flat, 5 right, 100. Keep going, keep going. Then there's going to be a chicane at the end. After the corner with a left entry. And it's a flat again. It's going to sweep right, left, but going straight there. And watch out, 4 right tightens and chicane with the right entry after the corner. Or sorry, left entry. Keep going there all the way. There's a hairpin left at the end. Around the building, hairpin left. 50. And there's a 4 left, 4 right, sorry, 4 right and 4 left. Narrow. And at the end there's a 2 right. 50. Go all the way to the end. And the 2 right. Narrow again. Then it's going to be a left, right, left. And then there's going to be a 4 left and a 4 right. And then a square right. 100. And then 1 left. And then a 2 left opens. 150. At the end it's going to be a 3 right. But keep going. Let's see. Here. And then it's going to be a 1 left, narrow and slippy. Watch out. 2 left, long. It's going to be left long over the. And then a 2 right, opens long as well. And at the end 1 right. Square left. And then around this thing up to the gate, through the gate. Yeah, tight left here. And then a square left at the end. Here. 2 right opens but narrow. And then a 2 left here. 100. 1 right and 1 right. 1 right again. Yeah. 200. 3 right. And then watch out, there's a chicane with a left entry. And then it's going to be a 2 left. And then a 1 left. 100 opens. Go. 3 left. Flat, that's flat. Keep going. Chicane with the right entry. Keep going flat. It's a 6 right, long. And then a 3 left. Yes. And then a 5 right long. Opens. And then it's a 2 left. Watch out. Watch out for it. It's narrow now. No worries. Right. Keep going. Go straight. Go to the right. Through the cones. And then it's going to go left. And then it's going to go right. And it's going to tighten into a hairpin right. Right here. Nice. Left through the gate, sorry. And then a 1 left narrow around here. Nice. Go. Through the left, 90 degrees. And then to the right. We made it, man. We made it.
I feel like I'm gonna be sick.
Oh. We made it at least.